Next thing what I wanna highlight in the lab, if you wanted to make lab at home, is some of the expendables, some expanded materials which you need to repair something. First of all, solder. I have different type of solder right here. This is my box for soldering, as you can see. Different diameters, piece of circuit boards, and so on. Some flux, aggressive flux. When you solder old wiring, some corrosive wiring, this aggressive flux will really help you to solder in, but you must really know to where you can use that flux, or where is nearby the other solder points which in time maybe corrodes. Always wash it up with some alcohol. This is medicine alcohol. I preferred only medicine. More alcohol. Second one is some fitting expendables. Is shrinking tube, different type, size, large, small, and other. Some hot glue. There is in my toolbox hot glue gun. This one particular I use just for spot glue in. Remember, don't use hot glue at the components which are heating up, such like diodes, semiconductors, resistors. It may cause a problem when the component is heating. That glue can just melting up, and you will have a great problem in short circuit or other. But in fitting in some laying the wires, hot glue can be really pretty handle, and that's awesome and great thing. In the box fitting, hot glue also maybe have in the sense wires. That's just perfect. Some strips, also to handle the wire. In expendables also I make some wires also need, every time need harvest and salvage wires in everything and everywhere. You don't know how many wires you will need to on the second repair, or you don't know how many wires and which wire gauge you will need to repair some other electronic equipment. Next one, scotch. Different type of scotch. Simple two-side scotch which can stick glued together some components, or large flat parts. Mask tape, and I don't have at this moment the tape with aluminum foil on it. It's great for shielding components, great for have some shields from EM radiation. Some varnish. This is special for electronics varnish, which I use. It looks like a solder mask. It's green. There also invisible varnish, but I'm just like the green type. Solder tweak is just winding some sort of copper wire. That's not truly copper. It's just copper outside. It's used to desolder some components, desolder or clean up from the soldering. Some lighter to for the heat rings. Pencils. Vaseline. Vaseline is for grease some of the mechanic components, for example, like motors or relay. That will be just fine. There are also another grease which conductive. At this moment I don't have it. Flux for soldering aluminium. I have used a few times, but I think that's avoid to use that such flux. It's very aggressive, it's toxic, but you want to have some of this. Okay, have a nice time. Thank you for watching.